I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing the mattress and slats so you can see the joints and fasteners. Inspect every corner for loose bolts, cracked welds, or bent rails. This tells you whether to tighten, replace, or realign parts. Then, apply penetrating oil to any stuck bolts and let it soak. This reduces risk of rounding heads. While you wait, organize replacement bolts and washers by size so you can work efficiently once you begin loosening and testing each connection. Once done with the soak, loosen bolts in an opposing sequence to prevent warped alignment and remove damaged sections methodically. If rails are bent, hammer gently against a block or clamp and heat a stubborn bend slightly to reshape. Replace any cracked pieces. For stripped threads, retap the hole or install a helicoil insert to restore holding power. Make sure to use lock washers or thread locker on reassembly so joints stay tight under load and avoid repeat loosening. You reassemble by hand-starting all bolts, then tighten them in stages to even tension. Use a torque wrench if you have one to match spec or keep consistent pressure. Once assembled, reinstall slats and mattress, then apply weight and roll test to detect wobble or creaks. If you hear noise, isolate it by pressing cardboard between joints to find the gap, red-itin or add shims where needed. Finally, recheck bolt tightness after 24-48.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.